The battery box is a little worse for wear. This is what's left of it. So, in true junker fashion, yes, we have some material that Chuck picked up out of a utility van at the junkyard. We've been making good use of it, repurposing it. Use this for part of the tranny tunnel. Yeah. And now we're building a battery box out of it. Mm-hmm. Little bit of trickery in geometry so that we can have a shoulder all the way around and have a complete box. You guys will see that in a moment. So, what we're going to do here, we're going to cut this line right here. We're going to mirror it over here. Measure that line, cut this piece, and then we're going to go. Then we'll have a battery. See if we can find some eye protection for Josephi's here. I mean, they can replace eyeballs nowadays, but it's expensive. You got to have Monty. I'd rather pay $8 for a pair of safety.
We got to put that money into the Maverick, bro.
Yeah.
And the scab.
The scab.
So
here, we
can't be spending money on eyeballs, bro.
Since my
Bunker's got a build, bro.
I mean, it's in our blood.
Okay, stay tuned. You never know. It's going to happen next. I'm bringing it back. Action.
All right, I'm done with this for now, so I'm just going to toss it aside.
To be continued for that piece of scrap.
That piece of scrap will be useful again.
I want to do something with this perforated part.
Yes!
I don't know what, but that perforated steel got to go somewhere.
Okay, so we must have wood.
He said wood?
What? Yes. We can put it on the
Why?
table.
Why do we need wood?
Well, you see...
You don't want to weld the plastic?
Plastic doesn't stand up to heat so well. I mean, wood doesn't either, but it does a lot better than plastic.
Sometimes you just got to build a battery tray, bro. You just got to go. You just got to do it.
Full send.
I go full send.
Here's a little tip, folks. Put your fabrication magnets in some sort of bag or box when you're grinding and cutting. Otherwise, they...
No diggity? You about to bag it up?
Some say that I have a magnetic personality. Boom. Look at that.
She appears to be fairly square, bro.
Yeah, even a blind squirrel finds a nut once in a while.
Mm-hmm.
Full send.
Yes. That's a mighty fine battery tray there, brother.
It could have been better.
Now what are we doing? Bracketrons? We making brackets? What the? Man, you have got a completely different idea than I had.
I don't know. I'm just spitballing here. That's what junkers be doing.
L bracket, bro. L, straight down. Put a hole in it. Put a bolt through that hole. Front and back.
Can't you smell that? I'm thinking.
Today on Mad Junker, Joe makes brackets.
You say you want the bracket?
Brackets. They're brackety. The brackets.
This bracket and then this bracket.
No.
That's why they call me Hurricane.
Hurricane in the house. That'll do it. You want to give a little step-by-step here of your process?
I'm giving my secrets away. This ain't no free tutorial.
All my secrets away.
Now, see what I do here, folks.
Oh, here we go. Listen up. Hold on. Okay. All right. You're in.
You got the close-up?
You're in frame.
All right. So what I did here is made a little slice. Little slice.
What slice of life?
So I can bend it. Now, step on over here to your trusty vise. You're all lined up. And you want to make one edge of the kerf even with the jaws. Dun, 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 dun. Then you take your trusty ball pen and give it a little whack-a-do.
Flatten her down.
And get the nice 90-degree bend there. And then usually what you'll have to do is come back through with even strokes of the hammer coming straight down as possible.
Flatten her down.
Boom.
And then we weld. Close enough.
Where'd you get these clamps at? Harbor Freight.
You know that's right.
Suck!
I didn't even use a coupon or nothing.
I'm not a big fan of this auto darkening thing here.
Does it scare you?
Hey, get out of there, that's all. That ain't pretty. I don't want nobody see my rabbit turds. Actually, I do need to click it up a little. Still had it set for sheet metal.
Hobart got you!
Watch out, folks, she's hot.
Putting off heat.
That one's a little wiggly, but it's work. It'll work.
Now we drill. Stay tuned.
tack and Z going on here.
Battery tray time.
Battery tray time. In true junker fashion, we used a little bit of new material, a little bit of recycled.
You know, what was laying around.
Laying around. It'll be alright. It'll work. Well, now we gotta throw some beads on here. And I don't mean curtains.
Somebody zeroing in there. 410?
Got a blacksmith shop next door or what?
Telling you, man, they try to outloud us.
That's Chuck.
Oh, is it?
Yeah.
I wonder what he's doing.
I don't know. I'll be knowing. Alright. Cut tape. Save Chuck's CMOS sensor.
I done it, dude. I already did it.
You did it?
I did it, and it's still going.
No kidding. Alright then. Oh, this stuff smells awful.
There it does. Burning.
Fire! Alarm!
Alarm! Alarm!
Alarm!
Smells like burning. Okay. If only the viewers could smell that.
I know. If they had smell-o-vision, they could.
It's terrible. It's terrible.
Battery tray. Done.
Battery tray. Done. Oh, yeah. That's not quite the right battery. It's a little smaller than what it should be, so got some extra play going on. But that is a mighty fine battery tray.